Alright guys, we are back. Last video we got all of this fully situated, new cooling system all done. This is the bracketry that I bought for the intercooler. So first things first, we're gonna do is I feel like putting this piece goes on the intercooler, because then this is gonna then bolt onto this, and this is gonna bolt up to the foxbody. So I feel like doing a slight bit of prep work. So I'm gonna get this on top of the intercooler, and then we're gonna figure out the sizes in which I'm gonna need for all this, and gonna get to it. On a quick side note, I've had the intercooler in the original box for the last 2 years that it came in. I have not taken out or anything, so this is gonna kind of be a first for me. But I just remembered how freaking heavy this shit was. This is like, either it weighs as much as the radiator and fans, or just a little bit more. Like, completely forgot how heavy this shit was. Shit, I bet. Is it gonna stand like that? Yes, no, go fuck myself. I'll just put this in the front just in case. Okay, so all these look to be about the same sizes. Oh, you're shitting me. Oh, you're shitting me. Wow. Damn. I don't know if y'all can see that. Are y'all witnessing that? You definitely are. Alright. Okay, so let me flip this shit up so that I can see what y'all seeing. So, if you're wondering where I bought this bracket from, I bought it from CX Racing. I mean, I could do some ghetto shit like that, and then this can ultimately go like that, and then this and this can go like that. I can ultimately do some ghetto shit like that, but damn, that sucks. Wow. Holy shit. I mean, I don't think I could have fucking done any measurements. Like, they didn't even have that shit of, oh, dude. What the fuck? Man, let me see if the hardware is even gonna fit now. Damn, son. If the hardware fits, we're good to go. Alright, hardware fits, we're good to go. So at least that fits. Alright. Well, alright. Let's see what I could do. So like I said, what I'm gonna try is, I am gonna screw this in to the absolute farthest that I can. You know, it's funny that you see the impact gun right there, and here I am doing a manual. No way, is this shit bottoming out too? Dude, what the? Alright, so that might have been the fix right there. Okay, cool. This is gonna be sketchy as shit. I'm gonna tell y'all that much. This is gonna be sketchy as shit. There we go. That shit's solid now. Alright, well, that's like that. Now let's get this bracket shit set up on the car. Shut up, J-Lo. You don't even know what you ordered from the bodega, because you've never been inside of a bodega. So use the hardware, and just like that. Oh yeah, happy Easter everybody, I forgot. Recording this on Easter Sunday. All that shit is pretty solid. Bigger than the radiator. You see? Might need to swing this out more, I think. Or just bend that because I need that shit to clear the damn AC lines. Yeah, I think that's where it's supposed to sit at. Yo, I am not finna hold y'all. This shit. Yeah. Nah, this shit look crazy. Like, this shit is just like fucking hanging. But I mean, it's cause I'm gonna need a new memory card or something soon. This shit's starting to get me mad. But alright. Let me get the trying of this shit, man. Let me see what's going on. Well, after a little bit of finagling and some slight bit of YouTubing, there it is. Cold side is on. It's mocked up. It's not really on because I still gotta do the hose clamps. And I haven't done them yet based off the fact that I don't know what I'm gonna do with this intercooler. I don't know if I'm gonna modify the brackets or if I should just drill brackets underneath and leave it as is, or and just make one that's like for the right side, because it's only leaning to the right. I mean, I have it supported with the jack right now because I was mocking up the other side, but I mean, I could just take the rest. I got another piece of aluminum still. I could just drill and tap a hole, or just drill it, and well, once I could just drill, I don't need to tap it. I could just do a washer and nut system. So, or I could just re-drill and fix the holes on the bracket itself, which I still might do as a possibility, because there's just no point in the bottom piece. The only reason why the bottom, I mean, I could still do the bottom for extra support so that at least it feels sturdy, but I don't know, and I don't feel like putting all the clamps on the couplers and then taking them off just to do that, you know. I mean, I'm gonna need to take them off I'm gonna need to take the couplers off anyway to put the hose clamps. But what I'm saying is, if I'm gonna do it, if I'm gonna take off what I just got done mocking up and I'm gonna put it back on for good, I'm gonna make sure I don't need to take it off again. Like, I'm not gonna waste my time, you know. That's what I mean, that I'm not gonna waste my time. Can't do the driver's side yet because the intake manifold isn't on and all that. So, but I mean, I got the blow valve on there. That's like clamped on there good. That I don't need to worry about taking on and off. That's clamped down for good. But yeah, there we are. Intercooler is about 90% on. For the most part, it's on. So this is how we're looking. Get a good look at it. Probably bring this up just a little bit. Shit looks good. I mean, it's a very tight fit for everything. The AC condenser lines are like pressed up against the back of this shit, so it's kind of pushing it out a little bit. I know when I go to put the bumper on, I'm gonna probably need to cut a little bit of the brace bar, probably, or bash bar. I mean, the bash bar. Probably gonna need to cut that to make room, but for the most part, she's in there. It's looking pretty good. Then next time we come around, it's gonna be to put the alternator in and get the new wires hooked up to that shit. But in terms of me reclamping and doing the bracket and shit, I'll probably do that off camera on my own time, you know, when I can focus and just knock the shit out and get it done. And I'll probably show you how to finish the finished product. I'm not gonna show you how the steps or anything, because that's just shit that you could go on YouTube and look. It's just simple. Just don't buy the CX racing bracket kit for the intercooler for the foxbody if you do not have their intercooler. If you do not have a CX branded intercooler, don't buy their bracket. Don't do what I did. That's the only thing you could learn or take away from this. Save yourself 150 bucks and just don't buy their shit unless you already have their products. Simple as that. Simple enough. So there you go. I blew my money. Now you can save yours. But yeah, guys, here we are. Go ahead and I think I already got a good thumbnail, but let me just get another one. There we go. All right.